Received a package from Backyard Scrapping today. Having watched this last video, I have a sneaking suspicion what's in it. But me and Copperhead here, we're going to open this up and see what's in it anyway. Give me a moment to do it as usual. He has used gratuitous amounts of tape. So we're going to need a moment with a razor knife to actually open this package. We'll be right back. Well, after longer than I like to admit, I have got the box open. And I have not went through it. Appears to be foam. Alright, there we go. Are you excited, Copperhead? I'm excited. Now, anybody that thinks I broke my setup to get Copperhead out, that's mistaken. I bought this off of DJ Jim's website probably a year ago. This is number 003. Well packed. Kind of feel like I'm getting a payback for what I did to his package. Alright. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I very seriously doubt I can, especially left-handed. Oh, come on, work with me here. Oh, he taped the side. He taped the side. He taped it in the front. He taped it on both sides. Put it in a in a bag. Wrapped it in foam. Put it in a box and taped all four sides of the box. He did not want me getting into this thing. My gosh. And of course he closed the Ziploc bag too. We wouldn't want it to sneak out. Had to use my teeth there. There we go. Look at that. Copper 3.47. What is it? Ounces. AV, which I do not know what that stands for. I assume it's whatever is not Troy. And I'm assuming that's Backyard Scrap. I don't. There's the date. Looks like 01/10/20. Well, that's just neat well, that's just neat, ain't it? Let's see what Dean got to say for himself. Hey, brother. Thought you might like to have the prototype pyramid. Thanks again so much for all the toys, and we had a great time unpacking that box. It was a blast. Have a good one, my friend. Dino, Backyard Scrapping. Well, I appreciate that. I'm going to put that up with my set. Copperhead's getting jealous. He's got all covered up over here. But that sure was neat, wasn't it? Well, Dean, I appreciate it. And I will treasure it and keep it always. Thanks so much.